Hey there, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can deploy your GitHub project in Netlify, and this is for free. You don't have to pay for anything. So let's start the video. First of all, we'll actually go for the Netlify. So I will go to the browser and go for netlify.com. Okay, if you type it netlify.com, you can see you will come to this site Netlify. Okay, now from here you have to sign up with a Google account, okay, or maybe GitHub account. You can actually sign up with it. I already have the account, so I will go for the login, and this is my account, you can see, with the email. Okay, so we're going to click here new project. From here we are going to import a Git repository, so GitHub, and here we go, authorized, because I already logged into my GitHub account. In your case, it will show you the login page of GitHub. I mean, you have to actually give your GitHub login credential. If you don't know how to create GitHub account, you can actually go to the github.com, okay, and then create account here. I already have this account. You can see if I sign out from here, you can see. So you'll find something like this, and then go for the sign up, okay, and then sign up with your Google account. That's it. And after that, you can go for the sign in and give your email, username or password. Your username or email, and then password. So my username is this one, okay, and the password is this one. So I'll go for the sign in. Here we go. Now we will add a repository here at first. So here you can see we have new option here, or maybe you can click here in this profile section. You can see this is my profile, and then we'll go under this profiles option. Here we have repositories. Okay, so we'll click here in the repositories, and here you can see I have a bunch of different repositories here. Now if you want to click create new one, you can actually click here new, and then you can give here a repository name. So I will say here that cat portfolio. Okay, cat portfolio. So this is going to be my cat portfolio repository, where I will add cat portfolio site. Okay, so I'm going to go with this create repository, and I will add here a project. Okay guys, I already have my project here. Let me show you. And if I go to the downloads, and here you can see this is my cat portfolio website. If I open this, you can see this is a cat portfolio site. Okay, and here we go, we have different section here. Now I want to actually deploy or host this inside Netlify, okay, through the Netlify. So I will add at first it is in the GitHub, because my topic is deploy from GitHub, right? So I have to add my project here. So I will go here, upload an existing file, because I already have the project, and here is the project. So here you can see I have to actually make it zip file. Okay, so I'm going to go back here in the Finder. In your case, if you're from Windows, you have to actually go to the project destination and right click on the project, and then compress it, okay, to zip. All right, I have this. Now I'm going to drag and drop it here, okay, or maybe I can choose the file from here, and here I can see uploading one file and uploaded successfully. Now I'll click here commit changes, and here I can see processing your files. Here we go. Now we have this repository. Now if I go here, you can see I already logged into my GitHub account in the Netlify, right? I mean, I have added my GitHub account in the Netlify basically. Okay, I just have to refresh the page and then go back to the GitHub authorization here, and now I have refreshed it, and here I will get my project. Right now I have added here. Okay, so cat portfolio. So I will go for it, go for the next page. Maybe it should shown in the first page, right? Yeah, here you can see cat portfolio. Okay, so now I'll select this cat portfolio, and project name also there should be cat portfolio. Okay, cat portfolio, and this URL is not available, so I'll say a cat portfolio dot git cat portfolio dot. We cannot actually give here dot, so can I give here underscore? No. So I'll say here my cat portfolio. Okay, my cat portfolio. Now this will work. So I can actually give here small m. Okay, yeah, now it is available, so I can go with it, and here you can see branch to deploy main. Okay, so I'll select main, and everything is working here perfectly. Okay, fine. Now add environment variables. We don't have any environment variables, so I'll skip it, and then I'll go for the deploy my cat portfolio. I'll click here, and you can see in progress. We have to wait for some times. Okay, here you can see, and done. Now it's green, and here also published. Now if we go to this link, I can actually get my project here. Okay guys, I shouldn't have add here zip file, okay, because okay, so I can delete this file. Okay, so I'll go here and I'll delete this and delete the file, commit changes, fine, I have deleted. Now I'll add file and upload files. Okay, select here upload files. Now here we'll upload new file. Okay, so you can see commit directly to the main branch. Okay, we have to select this. Okay, now let's go back here, and this time we'll not make it zip. Let's go inside it, and we are going to select all the folders and files and subfolders, everything, and we are going to upload them. Here you can see uploaded, uploading 4 of 4 files uploaded, right, successfully. You can see every single folders and files. Now I'll click here commit changes and commit directly to main branch. So commit changes, processing your files. Here you go. Now we have index.html. Now it will show. Okay, now let's go back here in the cat portfolio. Now you can see, and if we click here, and it should show, and here you can see our project is now deployed from Netlify. Okay, so this is how actually you can host your project through Netlify. We go, now it's live. This is not from your PC, right? This is completely live. Now I can actually open it from any of my browser. You can give it to any of your friends or clients. Okay, for your website, you can deploy it for free. You can see. That's it guys. I have shown you how you can host or deploy your website from GitHub to Netlify, and this is live, and that's it. If this video helps you, please make sure to give a like and subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching this video.